take us to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So, we made it to Gatlinburg. 10.5 hours later, we left at 6. Let me tell you something. This kind of place is what gets me going. The trees, the smells, the changing colors. I am totally in heaven here. So we're gonna get checked in. We gotta run a quick errand, and then we're getting dinner. So, it's your basic room. Kind of smells in here. Not as good as it smells on the outside, but I mean, it's clean. It's not very bouncy, but yeah, we got a little little refrigerator there, little desk to do your stuff, flat screen TV. Let's see what else we got here. So you get your bathroom. Basically a regular hotel room. So we're on our way to Sevierville, Tennessee to the Columbia Outlet store to get Brianna some short sleeve t-shirts because she just packed pretty much long sleeves. She's got 2 short sleeves, but we had a couple days and the weather is a lot warmer here than we thought it was going to be. We thought originally it was going to be about 70 and it's going to be about 80. So tomorrow when we're hiking in the mountains, it's going to be decently warm. You know, I don't think we're gonna need long sleeves or a fleece. So on our way to Columbia. Dinner at the local goat was a success. It was only about a 30 to 40 minute wait. I think we actually waited longer for our food once we got in. But everything was really good. You know, the deviled eggs were they were okay. Not the best I've ever had. I actually think my smoked deviled eggs that I make are better. But they were different because deep fried. I mean, really, you deep fry anything, it's gonna be good. My burger was good. The cool thing about that place is they're 99%. Everything is brought in locally for about 99%. They're pretty much scratch built, so they are scratch made, I should say. So they make their own bread. They have a special meat selection, all the way down to their dressings and their ketchup are house made desserts and everything. You know, Brown's pasta, I mean, it was good. It had a lot of sun-dried tomatoes in it and everything. But everything was good there. We'll definitely try it again. I want to try the fried green tomatoes next time. So we have a day planned for tomorrow inside the Smokey Mountains National Forest. So good night until tomorrow. 20 to 25 minute wait for this place, so I hope it's worth it.
I thought you were taking a picture with the thing.
Huh?
I thought you were taking a picture with the thing.
I can do that too, but...
Well, you could have told me that.
Sorry.
So now I look like an idiot.
You never look like an idiot, babe.
paper. And this place is pretty well decorated. I like it. So I got one of the skillets here. Let me tell you something. Look at the size of this pancake. Oh my lord. Came with a sugar cured ham, grits, biscuit and homemade biscuit with sausage gravy, pecan crusted bacon, sausage, eggs, sugar cured ham, and hash browns, and some corn poached, which I don't think I've ever had. Let's see here. Tastes like an uncooked cornbread. Uncooked cornbread. That's exactly what it tastes like. So let's dig in. Look at this pancake. Look at this thing. That's pretty good. These hash browns. Oh yeah. Just try some of this gravy here. It's good. It's going to be good on that biscuit. A lot of food here. This is what I really like. Pecan crusted bacon. Super, super good. So I'm gonna eat my food here. I know there's a few other things here, but maybe we'll talk about it after. Got ourselves a ham and Swiss sandwich, and yeah, we got chips and sodas and waters and Gatorades in the car. So next stop, Sugarland's Visitor Center. So we are on our way to Cades Cove. Let me tell you something. The Visitor Center, Sugarland's Visitor Center, is very busy. I didn't think we were ever going to get out of there. So one of the rangers gave us a little map of how to get to Cades Cove. Well, actually pretty easy. You just take the road out, take a right, and it takes you right there. So Cades Cove is going to be, there's some pioneer houses there. We might see some wildlife. So enjoy the drive. So when you get to Cades Cove, there's a little information center. You can stop there, and they have maps for $1. And then they have some other things for $1 also, a little trail guide and stuff. Or for $5, you can get this, which has all the maps. Cades Cove has information on some of the, has more in-depth information on, can't get this open. Some of the things like Kleeman's Dome, which we're doing tomorrow. Newfound Gap Road, which we're doing tomorrow. Information on day hikes, auto touring, Laurel Falls, which we're going to try to do today. I thought it was over by Newfound Gap Road, so we were going to stay on it for tomorrow. And then this is just the trails map. So yeah, this is all pretty interesting stuff. This is about $8 worth of stuff for $5. This is probably the best deal. Let me tell you, this place is very crowded. We just started into the cove. Already huge traffic jam. Not even going 5 miles an hour. So yeah. So first stop is John Oliver's cabin. He came here in 1820 and bought this land in 1826. This whole area, there's about, I want to say 4 or 5 cabins in the area. It's an 11-mile loop, Cades Cove. There's churches. There's a old sugar mill or sawmill. I can't remember exactly what it is. You know, as Floridians, it's nice not to be sweating. It is still probably about 70 degrees up here in the mountains, which feels wonderful. But there's no humidity. I can wear short sleeves. Should have worn shorts, but it's awesome. Cable mill area. The cable mill is the actual only part of this that is original. A lot of the buildings were moved here from elsewhere in the area, and the blacksmith shop was built by the National Park Service, just to kind of give people an idea of what is going on here. This is actually something I've been really looking forward to. Sawmill, which is cool because, like I said, the sawmill was the only original part here. It's actually running. They actually make cornmeal and stuff there. They're not letting people in there, obviously, because of COVID. So we were getting ready to head out. We're going to head down toward Laurel Falls and try to hike that. A couple things about Cades Cove. It is beautiful here. Allot yourself 3 to 4 hours. It is crowded. I don't think I can explain enough how crowded it is. So take your time. Go to the bathroom at the beginning of the Cades Cove at the little park, because the other one's not till 6 miles in, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when you're only able to go 15, 20 miles an hour, maybe, traffic jams, stopping to take pictures, trust me, you want to go to the bathroom before, because the other bathroom's not all the way till you get to the visitor center in the middle of the loop at Sawmill. So we'll catch you at Laurel Falls. So we are doing Laurel Falls hike. It's 1.3 miles there and 1.3 miles back. Roughly a couple hours. This is actually one of the very few paved trails in the whole entire park. So it should be a pretty easy hike. I did see some videos before we came out, showed you know, narrow areas with sharp drop-offs. So you still gotta be careful. Keep your wits about you. But I heard at the end of this, it is totally worth it. And Yeah. Whoa, you good? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Oh, I was like, we kept sliding.
I know, they're very slippery.
Yeah. Whew. Hey, that took about 2 hours. My GoPro died in the middle of it. Luckily, I had my my Sony, so I got some video of the falls and stuff like that. It's a hike. It's gorgeous. There's some steep drop-offs. You know, it's weird. It's 5:45. There's actually people still going up the trail. It gets dark here in about an hour. It takes you about at least an hour to get up, look around, and an hour to get back. So, and I would not want to be hiking that trail back down in the dark, unless like maybe a flashlight. But so on our way back to Gatlinburg, grab ourselves some dinner, and then tomorrow is a new day.